Hi everyone, this is Kelly Palmer with WorldPack, welcoming you to the fastest 2 minutes in automotive. This is the rundown.
Welcome back to the rundown. Kevin, numbers are looking phenomenal. We're going to have a great summer, and I really think something else that's really going to help us is I was recently looking at flights for SEMA this year, $972 from Raleigh to Las Vegas. Highest I've ever seen it. I think this is going to boil down to families doing more road trips, more shorter vacations, which means more maintenance for our shops that we work with. What are you seeing on the SMS side for ROs?
Although I love this for our auto repair customers, you've really triggered me with flight prices. I appreciate that. And especially the fact that I just went to London a few weeks ago for a work trip, paid less money than what I am going to Knoxville later this year. So just craziness out there. But yes, we've seen a pretty big surge in maintenance happening right now. Just this last week, we had over 320,000 ROs created, $174 million in attached revenue, and a $610 average repair order. Strongest week that we've had since October of last year. So yes, absolutely things are on the rise. And I think that pre-check, pre-traveled maintenance is exactly what you're talking about. Also heard that there's a new update coming to Google's algorithm. Tell me more about that.
Yeah, absolutely. Actually, it's finished. They just announced those things typically take multiple weeks to roll out. So just like any good agency, we are keeping our eye on it for clients. Really some notable things. I always kind of tweak the way results are happening. So we always keep our eye on it because there can be some volatility. Typically it goes after specific markets, and automotive is not impacted. Some of the things they're really looking at is experience and authority of the site, the content, and they're also downranking low quality AI content. So AI content's fine on websites. You just got to make sure it's still keyword rich, it's relevant to your site. So again, no issues with our client sites. We're going to continue to monitor just to make sure it stays that way. I'm going to pop over to our favorite segment, the Feel Good. What do you got for us this week?
The strong get stronger. Two of our great partners with WorldPack and Pronto just joined forces. That means you get WorldPack's parts distribution with Pronto's network and supply chain infrastructure. Some really exciting news on the horizon, and sneak peek, you've heard it here first. Tony and I will actually be bringing the rundown to WorldPack's XTS event in Washington, D.C. coming here in August. So thank you so much, Tony, and we'll see everyone next time.